Hello, Western Civ 104. I want to welcome you to week one. Now, of course, I'm opening all this up early, as I mentioned. So I want to remind everyone, you need to watch all my announcements, and that all the announcements that I will show will always assume that you've watched the videos that were first put up prior to each video. So keep that in mind, okay? So that's a part of this class, and I want to make sure that you're doing that. Okay, so first of all, there's a few things about the routine. I have a very predictable routine. Thursdays, we do video notes and discussion. Sunday, you will turn in a paper for a topic. So what I want to recommend for you to do is to look each week. This is a recommendation, it's not a requirement. Look at the question for the Sunday paper, and then when you watch the videos, write notes that address that. And I'm okay with you kind of incorporating all your notes into a coherent paper for Sunday. You're not required to do a research paper, or it's not to be set up in an academic way. Everything that I do is set up for you to demonstrate that you're actually watching the videos and reading. Something to say about the reading aspect. I was mentioning that we were having problems with some of the textbook issues. Some of you might have some different volumes of the West. If that makes any confusion, like if the reading doesn't seem to correlate you're doing with what's in the module, then talk to me and we'll figure it out. But I think you're going to be fine. Keep in mind, you do have to write notes on all of the videos that are posted in each week's module, okay? Not the announcements, but the lectures and the documentary clips. That's important. Every one of them, okay? And I'm gonna start cracking down a lot more on this, because I'll see sometimes students try to not do notes on one of the videos. Well, if you want full points for the video notes, you got to write notes on everything, because what I assume is that you did not watch the video if I don't see notes on it. Okay? And yeah, so that's what I want to say about that. Now we're going to be doing Western civilization. And this is the beginnings of it. And this is a very interesting topic. I address all the complexities of the term Western civilization. And so I don't want to kind of repeat too much, which you will hear in the lectures. Needless to say, this, as I say so many times, in the past you would see a lot of professors talk about in the curriculum, and sometimes I see this even the way it's still done in high school, that the West is the best. This is not the approach that we're taking to this class. We're also not saying it's the worst. This is a class that focuses on the development of Western civilization and then its implications within the areas that it emerged from and then beyond. And we cover more of that aspect in Western Civ 105. Now, the way we start the class is similar, almost exactly the same as World Civ. So some of you who've had my World Civ class, it might seem like we're going over the same material. But in any case, it will start to change and become more specific to Western civilization ahead. I am now doing some world travel, as you know. I've been here. Right now I'm at an Airbnb in Iceland. And I'm going to be writing some little notes, or I'm going to incorporate some of these thoughts about Western civilization of things here into the announcements that I'm also learning about. And I'm going to be in Denmark soon, and hopefully some other European nations. But then I'm going to be in Thailand, and so it's going to be interesting to see, some different aspects of how different it can be, how different civilizations can really be. And I will kind of incorporate that into some of my announcements and discuss some of my own anecdotal or just firsthand observations on top of what we're learning in the class, okay? And so having said that, I hope everybody is ready to enjoy this class, and feel free to contact me if you need anything. I am setting up everything early because I am facing a few little glitches here and there on doing this teaching online while I'm kind of like trying to travel the world, also on a limited budget. And I want to make sure that I'm doing a good job for you guys, and at the same time taking care of myself and making this class turn into really high quality for you. So again, the best thing to do is to contact me through Canvas if you can, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. So we'll be in touch.